The Honourable Member for North Bougainville.
Thank you. Me one brother Soli Blare me Totoga, please. Thank you, Mr. Honorable Speaker. Thank you. Mr. Speaker, this people asking me no got talk save go pass long lo Minister. Minister works. Mr. Speaker, me like him too by Prime Minister. He had him all ask him, but me ask him. Two plus up ask him. But these are very important questions, Mr. Deputy Speaker. Minister, plenty time. You come to Buka. You want them all colleagues. You, a lot of you have traveled to Buka. A lot of you have traveled to Bougainville. Minister, big pla walk by you me must make him not Bougainville. Me got all narpa tripla minister. Blo me start long ask him long. Me ask him blo me minister plenty time. Me talk again. All colleagues minister blo you na all narpa member blo this la house. Is have a go visit in Bougainville. Long time you miss make him all work blo me also all members blo national parliament. You make the survey too also Buka Island and me headquarter belong autonomous Bougainville government. Bougainville House of Representatives am start belong Buka Island. General House belong Bougainville is start belong Buka Island. Courthouse is start belong Buka Island. House Calaboose is start belong Buka Island, which is on North Bougainville. Airport Lokari Miple go come is start belong Buka Island, which is in my electorate, North Bougainville. Now, two members of this house, Buka or North Bougainville, an economic hub, belong autonomous region of Bougainville. Minister also one you milk the survey also Solwara ikatim big pla island la Bougainville, na Buka Island. You like walk business inside long Buka, long North Bougainville, you must cross in this 1 kilometer Buka passes. Suppose you like looking more sick man too, you like lo big pla house, you cross in Buka passes. You like kissing balu sikam lo Port Moresby, but you cross in Buka passes, which is 1 kilometer. Or you can upload body in 3 minutes across long main island, long Bougainville, come lo Buka Island. 3 minutes. Mr. Minister, this 1 kilometer Buka passes and me crossing big pla heavy through. Long old man Mary, long whole of Bougainville Island, main island, little Buka Island, we supposed to like walking business long main island, Bougainville. Minister, traveling public also appeal him heavy through, long walking business, long Buka Island where bank is stop long him, house is stop long him, courthouse is stop long him, lokisim balus to stop long him. This 3 minutes boat ride, Mr. Minister, long crossing this passes, and we go on top now long Fokina one way. Long, you may cross him car too, and by 350 one way. Suppose me like cross him 3-ton truck, and me 600 kina one way. Now long all big plus size dump trucks, now all heavy equipment.
Honourable
and
Member,
by me crossing and by costume.
Honourable Member, we have a point of order.
Mr. Deputy Speaker, point of order, Blumi Emolsem. Bougainville has a special autonomous arrangement with Papua New Guinea. Or in Papua New Guinea. There's a question where Minister ask him, member ask him. And one kind of question where all get a member of Parliament, I say ask him. So ask him, blow me, either to whoever is concerned, what is the autonomous region of Bougainville if they are going to be here raising the same questions that all of us are raising? I'm asking Blomi, Mr. Deputy Speaker. Point of order, Blomi, sorry.
Honourable Member, I think, Honourable Governor, the member for North Bougainville is raising a question that is yet to be answered. So I would not use another question, a point of order, to raise it as another question added to a question raised by a member.
Thank you.
So I rule that point of order out of order. Honourable Member.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. Let me remind this House too, Mr. Speaker. Bougainville is a special case. Let me ask my question. Let me get my answer from a concerned minister.
Ask your question.
Thank you, Mr.
Honorable
Minister.
Member, we have only a few minutes left, so
Thank you.
can make your question
Thank you.
short and-
If they stop interrupting, I'll be able to finish my question.
Honorable Member, we have a point of order.
Sorry, good luck question belong member of Bougainville, na mi pla interrupt, na mi talk, sorry, Speaker. I think we're running short of time, so point of order belong me ask him, maybe we can extend him time by another 20 minutes. Now, Deputy Speaker, mi pla come, all opposition, mi pla come sit down here, na mi pla wait 30 minutes. I don't know what's the use of a government caucus when the government members are coming here and, depriving us of the rights to ask and hold the government to account. What are they doing in the government caucus? Why can't they raise those issues in the government caucus? So, point of order, Blomian, Deputy Speaker, time you ask him all man long, ask him question, you must make him ratio 2:1. One black question, come on governor or government side, now 2 long here. Deputy Speaker,
Honorable Member,
you must try now.
Honorable Member,
facility coming chalong.
Honorable Member, I'll take note of your question. I'll rule that point of order out of order.
Deputy Speaker,
Chairman, there's no standing in a standing order telling the Speaker to select who to make or ask the question. I am following the chairs in the Parliament to ask and give chances to other members who are not making questions in Parliament, and I give them and allow them to make questions. So I would not entertain this point of order.
Deputy Speaker, with all due respect to you, what I'm suggesting is let common sense prevail in this House. Common sense. We're not asking you to do something, extraordinary, just common sense. The opposition's job is supposed to hold a government to account, and when you don't give us time to hold a government to account, what are we here for?
Honorable Member, as I've said, resume your seat. I would not entertain this point of order in questioning the chair of what the chair have ruled. I have given opportunity to all members of Parliament, and Parliament is where every members of Parliament are here to raise questions. No matter whether you are in the opposition or the government, you are a member of this Parliament. So I have to be fair to give chances to every member to make a question. I've seen some members who have never been asking a question standing. I allow for them to raise a question, whether he be in a member of Parliament, opposition, or in government. So I must make myself clear that I think I've been fair to this House. The Honorable Member for North Bougainville, please make your question.
Honorable Deputy Speaker, the reason why I may take him time, I have to explain why I'm going to raise my question. I have two questions.
Go ahead.
Mr. Speaker, thank you. Maski me no can pull him story to my works minister. Ask him me. Long story, me no finish him good yet about the challenges we face crossing the Buka Passage. It's 1 kilometer. Mr. Speaker, Honorable Minister, you got some ting you put in one bridge, crossing Buka Island, you go along mainland Bougainville. You walk along put in bridge long all Wara. Me like him, you put in bridge long Buka Island, you go along Northern Tip. Thank you, Mr. Minister. Narpla ask him, let me number two ask him, can we keep quiet while we are raising questions? Me plan no planti Mary Lo here. Thank you. Number two ask him, Honorable Deputy Speaker and Minister of Works. This Lahan Road, only call him long Buka Ring Road. My minister, I'm all device and up finish long now. And because him convenience long all school make picking ni, cause him inconvenience long money come salim ko problem all nakakao long long Buka. Now I'm planting big plan conveniences. This is the link road, the Buka Ring Road that links from backside of Buka Airport. You look in Pinis, you go come up back Lokesa. Mr. Minister, you repeat him again. Are you able? And you need long link PNG road program. You not walking one pla link bridge. All that bridge you walk him lo wara. Me like him bridge now, but you walk him on top long so wara on top long passes. You link him to Pla Island, the northern tip and Buka Island. That's all works, Minister. Now please, me let's look, I'm looking office blow you. Next time me come looking, but me come sleep long office blow you. Thank you, Speaker.
Honorable Member for Medang, what's your point of order?
Mr. Speaker, sorry, I didn't want to interrupt the good member for North Bougainville, but before the minister responds, the member for Wabeg raised a point of order and raised two issues. One, he moved a motion or question that question time be extended, and then he made a statement. You ruled the statement out of order, but you haven't yet ruled on his question that question time be extended. Thank you.
Honorable Member for Medang, I think I've made myself clear. And when the member have continued raising point of order related to the decision chairs made, I've made it, I rule your point of order out of order, which means I rule the whole point of order statement made and requested out of order, which I've already entertained for that. So I'll ask the Minister for Works to respond.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. Me like Kisses Platam Lodok, thank you, Law. Member of Law, North Bougainville. You member of Law Parliament. Now you got all the right. Law, you can ask him any question on the floor. You know, Mr. Wachet, you member now. You got the right, Law, ask him, Law, kiss him. All progress, Law, walk, Law, roads, Law, electric, Law, you now also, Law, Bougainville too. So, one time display me by short, give you some good plus short answers. Buka passage or road, any plan the timing of this law Buka na. Me too, me got this pla ting or 17. One pla day me play connecting this pla bridge all outside of Big Man Island, Buka. I think that me play connecting Papua New Guinea straight na connect PNG through come up Bougainville. So this pla ting and me savegat na me talk. Two want them secretary no team lo me finish. Now you me talk. Emi special bridge where me plan by mas luruk lo ship by run underneath too because emphasis na ship to come in or na pla all big pla something to come in so by me pla I can talk him all team lo investigate good. Lo how best all he can build him this pla bridge over. I think I'm good pla ting. Suppose you me connect him lyric Island go big pla island want them good pla all design investigate good now build him this little bridge. Plenty or something or say you talk finish Parliament or something stabla small island Buka. Now everybody law big pla population and can come move law kiss him service law. Small island troop la talk you make him. Now I think me play talk. I think plenty line too so we go to all guys la ting too. So me one bell one time you but me talk law team law me. Law underneath law connect PNC program na also some more fundings. This plan can consider him, but we'll do a very good design and investigate probably because it's our ship run underneath. So this plan first point play you and me answer him this plan. Law road long Buka Ring Road. You na me yet me play sawe road law Pintono go down long Kesa 5 kilometer me been stop underneath the contract long ABG where contractor stop finish. So time contractor stop finish I'm hard to me approach him. So me play negotiate and me play hold him long pla time reach. But me play think now long right law Bougainville ABG law by release him this plan. Only completely 5 kilometer long all finish but only must release him so that lo Kesa go lo Solos na go lo Nova na come back lo head play strip or ask play strip lo airport and me play need lo take over and I need lo connect PNC program me play got 4 pla connect PNC program roads main roads where national government work long end this pla Buka Ring Road na pla all roads long Arawa go lo Buin currently online lo me play lo Deganai only work stop and then me play got Buin go lo Tominapu and then Naplo road me play lo ting long Buin go lo Siwai na kam lo Bana na kam go lo Pankuna all southwest road Napla road me play lo walk long all Sierra go lo Kore Povi me go finish na launching bridge. All this pla road, emi west coast all missing link, and one pla tripla, and then na pla sila go tablo tinputs, emo landani long all TSSP Australian program, only work wrong end. So we picking up very well under the Maraboroso government law connectivity program. Roads now me plus start law improve law Bougainville now. So we'll come to Ring Road can na me plus Toktogo Kamoli release him plus road campaign can the national government then emba me plus go in start work law this plan. So me appeal to people blow not Bougainville or same. Me plan no Lucy apply it, but because it's plan road namel lo 5 kilometer lo Pintono na Kesai bin come up me play whole him stop. Thank you, Mr. Speaker.